What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be talking of the Stihl ICA 20-hand push washer. We will some point get used again this year. Because I like to get this thing used again this year because you see how much expected this machine's been used a lot of couple times. Because this machine right here, I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this machine is. You see, this is a 2024 model, so this thing came out like last year, and I was surprised this thing didn't get used almost like quite a bit because. Well, I see how much expected this machine's been used almost like the couple of times when this machine's been used, almost like every single time this machine's active, which is definitely expected to this active. So I do hope some point this thing will get used again some point this weekend, this year, for 2025. I don't even know what this eco button even does yet because there's no videos on what it, but I think it changed the mode, I was thinking. But that's what I'm thinking a little bit because I know since the fan it's probably going to get used. At some point because I do like this thing a lot because you see how it's just a basic looking tool in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion, which is definitely how much I expected this machine exactly. Which if I ever just decided to get this thing exactly, you can see how much expected this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already. And that's because you see how much expected this machine. I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost a couple of times already. And well, I expected this thing's gonna get used almost quite a bit because you see how much I expected this machine's ugly, which is definitely how much I expected this thing's ugly, which definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. So it will get used again this week, this year. I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year because I mean, we expected this machine's been used almost a couple of times already. I expected this machine will be used, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used again at some point this year. But I realize this is a pretty nice looking push wash in my opinion, so I hope at some point this thing will get used again.